You got my drink.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Me asustas. Ay. Ay.
We could do it, baby, simple and plain. Still love is a short
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today, another book. Another mukbang for you guys, cause you guys like the
Ask for it, you
video. So
and you like seeing the Z. You like seeing the Z.
I thought it was like liquid. It didn't have like chunks in it.
It's watermelon. You know why? Cause it's agua de melon. She told me that.
Ciao. Anyways.
So agua de melon. Cause this se me antojó.
Oreo milkshake.
Un raspado de vainilla. Y luego
Tostitos con birria.
can you see it? I mean, and then I got torta birria, but you could
Get a chip.
you can't see it, but and it has nachos. I didn't know it had, but it has some. And then I got
It's okay. I don't have that.
I got a churro waffle.
Pero lo pusieron al revés.
So it was their fault. It wasn't ours. I feel I miss going to Mexico, like, honestly. She's been like 30 times.
I've been there since like the beginning of the quarantena. On May 21st, we got out of school. On May 24th, I went and then I came back like for.
No, I didn't.
Yes, I did. I came back.
No,
Like in 3 weeks.
no.
Okay.
We came out of school at March. We started
Oh no, pero like in vacation. I started going to Mexico on vacation.
vacation.
No en vacaciones.
Vacation. Uy, sí.
Vacaciones.
I'm gonna try. I like birria. So.
Can I have some? We ate birria in Mexico when we went for my little cousin's birthday last year. Oh my! Last year, so yeah. And we had a soup of birria,
Qué chistosita.
and it was good.
Dude, right now my sister bought it and she says
It wasn't me.
Who was it?
I don't know.
Cause it was.
I swear on. Look at it, cause I'm gonna get a little bit. Or with the fork.
With the spoon.
Ay, con la servilleta.
With the straw.
¿Sí se puede?
Sí se puede.
Sí se puede.
Boy, if you don't.
Oh, te están fumigando. Cuando fumigan a este fin, la fumigaron.
El carro.
No, a ella, like, los bajan y creo que les echan como un spray.
¿Y a ti no?
No, porque yo no fui. Yo me quedé. She came back.
¿Y cuando te fuiste?
No, fue hace una semana, ¿verdad? Hace una semana todavía no hacían eso.
So when you go back, they're gonna do that.
This fruit is so delicious.
Give me some. Pues córtalo a la mitad porque la luz queda que.
I'll bring you a knife.
No, que un plato.
Ay. Hola, cuando vaya me tienes.
The tea is exceptionally good today.
No! Don't do that, man.
If I could get
You
drink
do
forever, it would be water. You do it. I'm gonna show you how I cut my ex's balls off. Con la Rosario tijera. Wait, this way or this way? This
way.
Uy, qué pedacito tan bonito.
You want that
lo
little
voy a
piece?
quitar. Yeah, I just want to taste it.
Está bueno.
Ah, bueno.
todo. Bro, start farting.
It wasn't me.
Ay, fui yo.
Was it?
No.
It's coming from you.
No, se escuchó de aquí, si no se escuchó de acá atrás.
It would like if it was me, it would like you know.
It was probably
It was
my.
you.
No, I
It was
swear.
your stomach.
Probably.
No, it wasn't. Te reventó.
Do you smell?
Do you have a boyfriend? No.
No.
Weird food combinations do you really enjoy?
Dude, Lucy.
My dad.
I'll
don't.
eat goldfish with ranch. Like, if I see something weird, I'll eat it just to try it. Like, cause I don't know. What if in life you're getting a job and they're like, "Have you tasted pickles with ice cream?" Yes. That's how I started liking pickles too. So thanks for weird food combinations.
It's not really weird because mostly everyone does it, but you
What?
dip your fries into ice cream.
Oh yeah, that's not bad.
I haven't done that.
Have you put soda in your ice cream? Dr. Pepper or Coca-Cola? Dr. Pepper.
Ruby float.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Nah,
Juice three.
I don't have any. I don't have any weird competitions. The most weirdest to me is scrambled eggs with the ketchup.
That's the most normalest thing
No,
ever.
for me, it
But
was.
that's-
It was.
Okay.
Okay.
Would you guys jump off a cliff to be rich, or be rich a day, and you could only spend, if the amount is 1 million, you have to spend all of the money in that day
Oh,
Be rich.
jump off a cliff.
to be rich.
Or actually, no, one day.
Cause I feel like if I would be rich my whole life,
You're gonna be spoiled.
I would want that feeling, but one day, because I like how I live, you know, it's better.
No, like you can still live the way you live, just have extra money. For like any case, like you need the money, you could have it. And then if you like grocery shopping and like you don't have to a specific amount, you can just get whatever you want.
How did I get there? Dude, I swear to God, I think I brought some ghosts from over there.
We're home.
Oh,
I'm not.
it is ice cream.
Oh really?
Toda derretida te la dieron.
Nah, fuck.
Fine, you can have the first bite.
I take a huge ass bite.
I want this.
Row your
Boat
boat
gently down the stream.
Estas cosas ya se derretieron también. Los tostitos. Look.
O con el queso. A mí también.
Do you think aliens exist?
Yes, they do.
Yes.
They do exist. We're aliens too.
But different type, you know. Like, you know how they're like different species of animals? Like, we're that type of different species animals.
To aliens, they're probably humans. Like to them.
To them, they're like, we're weird creatures.
To us,
Yeah. Like we're,
And then we're like,
they're probably camouflaged in our flesh.
probably like super
Like
girl.
Superman.
we shouldn't have ordered that much.
No.
And
I thought it wasn't a lot until like we got it and I was like, oh shit, we ordered a bunch.
Dude, it's because I feel like since I'm sitting here,
Un pedito. Se te sale un pedito.
necesito estirar la panza porque toda la comida es like stuffed.
How?
your phone.
My mom's facing me. Hola. Oh. Whoever is president this time, when their term ends, ya vamos a ser like mayor de edad.
I don't.
You never thought your ex was gonna cheat on you, huh? But he did. Exactly.
You think it's funny? You think it's funny? Do you think it's funny?
No. Try not to laugh. Bitch, look at me in my eyes.
I got blinded. What the hell?
Bitch, don't ask me who I be on. I'm just trying to hit you with my Gucci. Wait, I'm gonna do a TikTok.
How I ship one of my coloring books. Start by putting the bookmark and the business card.
Oh, that's good. Oh,
I
that's...
wanted to see.
Did you guys see this TikTok?
Yeah.
No.
No lloren, nomás miren al cielo y digan,
Okay, let's see. I have one.
Mexican
Oh, I know.
songs.
I feel like you guys can't know.
güey, estoy aburrida. ¿Hoy quieres hacer drogas? No mames, tampoco estoy tan aburrida.
But what kind though?
¿Qué tipo de...
¿Qué tipo de drogas? Güey, estoy aburrida.
Again.
Güey, estoy aburrida.
Again.
2,000 years later.
Güey, estoy aburrida. ¿Hoy quieres hacer drogas?
Again?
Yeah.
Wait, ¿qué les... I think I like that one.
Güey, estoy aburrida. ¿Hoy quieres hacer drogas? No mames, tampoco estoy tan aburrida. ¿Qué tipo de drogas, güey?
I like that
Estoy
one.
aburrida.
Búscate a alguien que te dé dinero. Acuérdate que muchacha que sabe usar su
my
papaya
God.
en la vida no batalla. No. Y voy a luchar por su amor como una maricona de barrio.
Mm.
No. Y la que no es perra no prospera. Y la que no es zorra no controla.
Do it again. Sing that one and then do it again.
I didn't like this one.
Ayúdalo, por favor. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Try no pie.
Me va, dude, my knee.
Dude, I didn't know where your bed was up to.
Do my knee.
Oh my god, déjame mover la almohada. Ay, te rebotaste. ¡Un piojo! ¡Córrele!
Deja mis piojitos.
Tu diente.
Acuérdense que la que no es puta no disfruta. La que no. Y la que no es perra no prospera. Y la que no es zorra no controla. Acuérdense que la que no es puta no disfruta. La que no. Y la que no es
Quitan los ojos.
Oh, 13 minutes and I have to do next topic.
Anyways, nothing happened.
No, nothing.
No, there was not a dramatic fight that we got on camera. No. Oh,
My knee hurts.
my stomach.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
hurts.
Oh, like this. And then like this. I didn't like that one.
Let me put it back.
Oh my god.
Vete, I get it from the bottom.
1, 2. My pedo, please.
Ah!
Yeah, you broke my skull.
No, ya no me pegues.
Puta.
Ya no me pegues, mamá.
It wasn't that. Bruh, I'm cold.
Mamá, ya me quiero ir.
I look like the SpongeBob.
Oh, yeah, like the meme. Ay, no, parece que acabo de ir a un chile a
Raw.
Ah.
My straw broke.
You said I eat.
My knee hurts.
My booty hole hurts. It's gonna hurt.
I can't see your eyes. Just got a lot to say.
You want?
Me all shaking.
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
I look like the one from Charlie's and the chocolate.
You do.
Willy Wonka.
Hi.
I do.
No, es el gorro tiene que estar como.
Where's my
The chocolate factory. La factoría. To me, it's the sunglasses that look good on me, and then to you, it's the bucket hat.
We check. We check.
Voy a venir a pegar adelante. A las 3 me la voy a chingar.
Llámale a la mamá de
Sí,
la
ahorita le voy a hablar a la mamá. La
She's on her way.
I have
She has a tracker on. She does.
She actually does.
No.
Do it imagine?
No, she doesn't have a tracker on me. She has a chip inside of me. I'm just kidding.
You're so funny.
I know. I used to go to student council y una vez nos quedamos because there was an activity or something. Nos quedamos para el bus after student council pues. And they were serving nachos y limonada, yo creo. And well, we stayed y se atrasó el camión. And my mom got scared. She almost called the cops. I know, but my phone died. And I was charging it with the laptop, but it's slow. Can you guys drop me off?
No.
Oh, ¿quieres ir caminando?
Mamá,
Drop you off.
le voy a preguntar a mi papá si me deja.
Llevarte el carro.
No, with the
O si no, let's go walking because I want to bajar las calorías.
I once swallowed gum.
Once I swallow gum all the time.
No, but
I just spit it out.
I was like 3.
Ooh. You've done that before?
I haven't.
Ajá. Uy, sí. Con el... Bueno, pues la voy a encaminar. ¿Por qué? I'm wearing my sunglasses because it's too bright. My future is too bright. ¡Miau!
Como que tienen gatos en ese carro.
¿Tienes gatos? Look at the light. Like, what the hell? Watch something. That's scarring. Well, as you could, it's the end of this video. We really just messed around and just ate food. It wasn't really like we talked, It was mostly us messing around. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like it, if you didn't still like it, comment down below anything and subscribe if you haven't yet. And until the next time,